Okay, so let's talk about some techniques of persuasion. So, repetition. Repetition, where the same words, sounds, or letters are said again and again. Again and again. So they stick in the audience's mind. I have a dream. I have a dream that. I have a dream when. Repeating the same sounds. Every move you make, every breath you take, every bond you break. Everything you say, everything you do, everything you want. Cats are cute. Cats are cute. Cats are smart. Cats are clean. That repetition drives home the point. By repeating it, the point is driven home so they understand it. Cats are, 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 cats are. Yeah. How cool is that? And so the more often something is repeated, the more likely people are to believe it. Yes. How cool is that? So sharing expert opinions, whether facts, numbers, or quotes. Facts, this information. Numbers, 9 out of 10 times. Or quotes, he said this, they said that. Or quotes from authority figures to back up your claim. So the more authority you have, behind your point of view, the stronger it seems. These experts said this. The data tells us that. This information says this. They think this. That think tank said that. According to one study, which is facts, cat owners are more fun than dog owners. Okay, well this data said that, and so did that, and so did he, so did they, and he said this, he said that. Don't look at me. These scientists, these mathematicians said so. Okay, makes sense. And tearjerkers are some words that stir emotions, such as pain, sadness, happiness, guilt, or anger. So we can use words to incite emotion in their opinion, in their point of view, to help them to stir and to think and to agree with us. But we're not appealing to the emotion, but we're inciting the emotion, we're sparking it. Cats bring comfort and friendship to young and old people. We're mentioning this, and we are sparking that. Ah, how cute! Ah, isn't that amazing? Sensation the audience have built in because they're human. So cats bring comfort, and friendship to young and old people. Really to everyone then, young and old. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.